Next question. Allied Cooker Company is evaluating three investment situations. First, produce new line of aluminum skillets. Second, expand its existing cooker line to include several new sizes. Develop new higher quality line of cookers. If cookers, full stop. If only the project in the question is undertaken, the expected present values and the amount of the investment required are as under. For amount of investment required is given and present value of future cash flows have been given to us. So you may use a calculator. 2,90,000 minus 2 lakhs. For the first project, NPV of the project is 90,000. 185 minus 115. NPV for the second one will be 70,000. 4 lakhs minus 270. NPV for the third will be 1,30,000. If the project 1 and 2 are jointly undertaken, there will be no economies. The investment required and present value will simply be sum of the parts. If the project 1 and 3, with projects 1 and 3, economies are possible in investment because one of the machines acquired can be used in both production processes. Total investment required for 1 and 3 combined is 4,40,000. If project 2 and 3 are undertaken, there are economies to be achieved in marketing and producing of the products, but not in investment. The expected present value of the future cash flows for 2 and 3 is 6,20,000. If all the three projects are undertaken simultaneously, the economies noted above will still hold. However, a 1,25,000 extension on the plant will be necessary as the space is not available for all the three projects. Which project or the project should be chosen? That is the question. I request all of you to go through the question, please. So let us have understanding. We are required to do the calculation of the NPV for different options. Means if at all you make investment only in the first project, you make investment only in the second project, we'll calculate the NPV. Only in the third one, we'll calculate the NPV. Afterwards, we have been given 1 and 2. Then we have been given 1 and 3. Then we have been provided with the information about 2 and 3. Then 1, 2 and 3. Like that, so we have been provided with all these options. We have to compute the NPV for each of the option, and of course the option which is having such a highest positive NPV will be accepted. If at all we accept the only first project, then present value of the cash inflow is 2,90,000. Investment is 2 lakhs. So NPV is 90,000. If at all we accept only second project, present value of the cash inflow 185, investment is 115, and NPV is 70,000. If at all we accept only third project, present value of the cash inflow 4 lakhs, this is 270, and NPV is 1,30,000. And so on, we are required to do answer. I already have done 3 answers for you. Remaining all answers you try to do on your own, then I will do working for you. Everybody please start writing down answer and please complete the table for the remaining part. So let us now carefully read the question. If the project 1 and 2 are jointly undertaken, there will be no economies, so will not get any advantage. So present value of the cash inflow 290 plus 185, 475. 290 plus 185. And present value of the cash outflow will be 2 lakhs plus 1 lakh 15,000. So 3 lakh. So NPV is 1 lakh 60,000, which we could have done directly 90 plus 70 also. For 1 and 3, the question says that say with 1 and 3, economies are possible in investment because one machinery acquired can be used for both the production processes. The total investment combined will be 4 lakh 40,000. See, as far as the project 1 is concerned, the investment is 2 lakhs. As far as the project 3 is concerned, it is 270. But combined, it will be 440. So there is a reduction by 30,000. This is the advantage that you will have. So it is 290 and 4 lakhs. This is 2,90,000 plus 4 lakhs. That comes to an amount of 690. So 6,90,000 minus 4,40,000. That comes to 2,50,000. Or a smart student like you can also do working like this. 90 plus 130. 90 plus 130. Plus there is an advantage of 30,000. So 90,000 plus 130 plus 30,000. That is also the way you can do answer. If project 2 and 3 are undertaken, there are economies to be achieved in the marketing and the production, but not in investment. The expected present value of the future cash inflow will be 6,20,000. Okay. Now 185 plus 4 lakhs. That comes to basically 585. However, it will increase to 620. So it increases by 35,000. But there are no advantages in terms of investment. So 115 plus 270. So it is 3,85,000. Okay, so 620 minus 385, that comes to 2,35,000. Now all of you have understood. I need not to tell you. 70 plus 130, that comes to 2 lakhs. Plus an additional advantage of 35,000. That is also the way you can compute 2,35,000. The question says that if all the three projects are undertaken simultaneously, the economies noted will still hold. Means whatever the advantage which the company has for 1 and 3 will be there, of course, in 1, 2, 3. The advantage which is there in 2 and 3 will be, of course, there in 1, 2, 3. However, an extension of rupees 1,25,000 on the plant will be necessary, as the space is not available for all the three projects simultaneously. Okay, so we understand like this. The present value of the cash inflow 2,90,000 plus 1,85,000 plus 4 lakhs plus 35,000. That is, this is the additional 35,000. So the answer comes to 9,10,000. Because it has been given that the economies noted will still hold. Investment 2 lakhs plus 1,15,000 plus 2,70,000. However, it will reduce by 30,000 because one machinery will be common. At the same time, 1,25,000 is an additional amount of the investment required. So the final answer will be 2 lakhs plus 115 plus 270 minus 30,000 plus 125. It comes to 6,80,000. So 680 is deducted from 910. So the NPV comes to 2,30,000. This is the way we make a comparison of all NPVs, and the options, the option having the highest positive NPV will be accepted. So project 1 and 3 should be selected. So the decision is the company should select project 1 and 3. This is the way we are required to take the decision. So first of all, we have made the computation of the individual NPV. Then whatever the combinations that say they have provided for that NPV is calculated for 1 2, for 1 3, for 2 3, and for 1 2 3. The important point over here in the question is the economies noted will still hold. Means whatever the advantage which you have by making the combination of the two projects will definitely be there if at all you combine 3 projects. This is what we understand.